how to fix marketplace isn't available to you. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to fix Facebook marketplace isn't available to you. If you're unable to find the marketplace on your Facebook account, then what you have to do is, for that case, you just have to go and check your age restrictions. If you're under 18 years or below 18 years, then it must be one of the reasons why you're unable to see the marketplace on your Facebook account. So you have to make changes with your date of birth, only then you'll be able to access it. And likewise, the marketplace feature is not available in all parts of the country or the world. If you are unable to find it, so then it must be one of the reasons due to your geographical location. If this is not the case, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, go and long press on your Facebook application and go to the app info section, and here you should be able to locate this option as storage and cache. You go and press on clear cache as well as storage, and you should be able to fix your Facebook marketplace. Likewise, if nothing seems to be working out, then you can also try updating your app. Go to your Play Store and then check whether the app needs to be updated or not. By following this step, you should be able to fix your Facebook marketplace isn't available to you. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.